Hi kids! This is Teacher Rose. Welcome to my mathematics class, wherein mathematics allows you to think more than what you have.
Our today's lesson is about perform a series of more than 2 operations on whole numbers, applying parentheses, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, or what we call PMDAS. First, let us review the 4 fundamental operations in mathematics. First is addition. It is usually signified by the plus sign. It is finding the total or sum of 2 or more numbers. Number 2, subtraction. It is usually signified by a minus sign. It is an arithmetic operation that represents the operation of removing from a collection. The result is called difference. Third is multiplication. It is usually signified by a times sign. To multiply means to add equal groups. When we multiply, the number of things in the group increases. The two factors and the product are parts of multiplication. And the fourth and the last one is division. It is usually signified by a division sign. It is the process of splitting into equal parts or groups. It is the result of fair sharing. It is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. This time, let us have an exercise. Directions: solve for the following equations. Go! Let us check your answer. How's your score?
Sample problem. Cyrene comes from the school with a heavy heart because of homework. Her elder brother gives her a helping hand and he has seen the following. Evaluate the expressions. Letter A, 12 minus 3 plus 18 divided by 6 times 3. Letter B, 7 times 9 minus 3 plus 8. Letter C, 18 minus parenthesis 12 divided by 6 parenthesis plus 7. Letter D, parenthesis 9 times 9 divided by 3 minus 9 plus 6. And letter E, 16 divided by 4, parenthesis 5 minus 7 plus 8. And there is a question, what operation must be done first, second, next, and last? Let us pretend that you are Cyrene and I am her elder brother. In that case, we need to use Pmdas rule. P stands for parenthesis, meaning to say we need to perform first what is inside the parenthesis. Then after that, perform multiplication or division, whichever comes first from left to right. Then, perform addition or subtraction, whichever comes first from left to right. In letter A, 12 minus 3 plus 18 divided by 6 times 3. There is no parenthesis in the given. So let's move to M or G. And in that case, 18 divided by 6 is the first from the left. So, 18 divided by 6 is the first one to perform. In letter B, the given is 7 times 9 minus 3 plus 8. There is no parenthesis also in the given. So, we need to perform multiplication or division. And this time, there is no division. So, let us perform first multiplication, which is 7 times 9. Let us move to letter C, and the given is 18 minus 12 divided by 6 plus 7. As we can see, 12 divided by 6 is inside the parentheses, meaning to say, we need to perform first 12 divided by 6, followed by the other operations. In letter D, the given is 9 times 9 divided by 3 minus 9 plus 6. As we can see, 9 times 9 is inside the parentheses, meaning to say, we need to perform first 9 times 9 followed by the other operations. In letter E, the given is 16 divided by 4, 5 minus 7 plus 8. As we can see, 16 divided by 4 is inside the parentheses. So we need to perform 16 divided by 4, and the result is 4. So, after the parentheses, there is 5. In that case, we need to multiply the result of 16 divided by 4 to 5. And the result is 20.
Based on the example explanation, to simplify series of operations on whole numbers involving more than 2 operations using Pmdas rule, first, perform the operation or operations inside the parentheses. Second, perform multiplication and division in order from left to right. And finally, perform addition and subtraction in order from left to right.
Let us do this activity. Solve the expression below by following the Pmdas rule. Given number 1, 16 plus 25 divided by 1 plus 4. Your answer must be number 2, 40 minus 20 times 2 divided by 8. Your answer is How's your score?
Remember, to simplify series of operations on whole numbers involving more than 2 operations using Pmdas rule, first, perform the operation or operations inside the parentheses. Second, perform multiplication and division, whichever comes first from left to right. Then finally, perform addition and subtraction, whichever comes first, also from left to right.
Now, let us have an activity number 2. Directions. Evaluate the expressions. Go! Let us check your answer. How's your score? Hi kids! I hope you have learned a lot.